Good morning, students. Now we are going to read detailed summary of the chapter The Fun They Had, Class 9th English. In this chapter, the writer gives an imaginative idea of schools of the future. He conveys it through the imaginary story of two children named Margie and Tommy. Means this is only imagination. This is an imaginary story of two children named Margie and Tommy, and this is imaginary story by the author. Margie is 11 years old and Tommy is 13. Their story is placed in the year 2157. It runs like this. On the night of 17th May 2157, means the story begins on the night of 17th May 2157. Margie made an entry in her diary. She wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." This is the title of Margie's diary. It was a very old book. It was printed on paper. Margie's grandfather had once told Margie about such books. He had said that when he was a little child, his grandfather had told him of a time when all stories were printed on paper. Means the story on paper surprised her. Next, Tommy lived in Margie's neighborhood. That day he had come to Margie's house and shown her an old dusty book which was full of dust. He said that he had found the book in the attic of his house. Attic means a place where means all things are kept, the things which are not necessary. So that is attic. The two children turned the pages of the book. The pages were yellow and wrinkled. Wrinkles were there. The two children saw that the words stood still in the same place, like this. Words are still. सीधे खड़े हुए हैं, still. They didn't move like the words on their television screen, because they were habitual to read on television screen. It appeared to the children something very funny. They turned the page before. It had the same words on it that it had when they read it for the first time. Tommy thought that such a book was just a waste. One could throw it away after reading it. The television screen, on the other hand, could have on it millions of books. Thus one never had to throw it away. According to Margie, this book was waste, because if someone has read the book, he or she can throw it, according to her. But this was not that. We can say, like suppose we have read our books and some students just throw or just sell their notebooks to junk dealer, and that is not a good thing, है ना? So according to her, this was a waste. Next, the television screen, on the other hand, could have on it millions of books. Thus one never had to throw it away. Tommy had found the book in the attic of his house. Attic, I told you, a place where all things are kept or unnecessary things are kept which we are not using. He told Margie that the book was about school. Margie failed to understand what Tommy said. She didn't think there was anything to write about school. She had always hated school, but Tommy told her that it was a different kind of school, which had been mentioned means told in the book. It was very different from the type of Margie's school. Next, Margie's school was in her own house, not like today students go to school. Her schoolroom was right next to her bedroom. She had a mechanical teacher to teach her. The teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. Margie had been doing worse and worse in each test. Worse is comparative degree of bad. Her mother was very unhappy. She sent for the county inspector to see what wrong was there. County inspector generally checks mechanical teacher or whatever is the problem. County inspector was called. The county inspector was a round little man. Round little man, this was the appearance of county inspector. Means he was a fatty person. He had a red face. He had a box full of tools with dials and wires. He had dials and wires with him. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then he took the mechanical teacher apart. Margie had thought that the county inspector would not know how to put the mechanical teacher together again, means how to fix the problem. But he knew everything all right. He was able to complete the job in about an hour. Now the big screen of the mechanical teacher was on again. It could show all the lessons and related questions. Means the problem was solved and that mechanical teacher was fixed. Margie didn't feel so bad about answering the questions. The part she hated most was the slot where she had to put her homework and test papers. Means she did not like that part. Means to put her homework and test papers. There was basically a slot where she had to put her homework and test papers that she had done or not. She had to write them out in punch code. Then the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Margie had been made to learn the punch code when she was 6 years old. Means there was a punch code for each student. Next, the inspector smiled after finishing his work. He patted Margie's head. Patted, thapthapana. He said to her mother, it was not little girl's fault. The geography sector was geared a little too quick. Means the level was somewhat high. I have slowed it up to the level of an average 10-year-old child. The overall pattern of the child's progress is quite satisfactory. And he patted Margie's head again. Means the girl was doing well, but that that mechanical teacher's level was somewhat high. But Margie was disappointed. She was not happy. She had been hoping that they would take away the mechanical teacher altogether. अपने साथ ले जाएंगे. Once it had happened with Tommy's teachers also. It was taken away for nearly a month because history sector had blanked out completely. Means there was nothing in history sector. That's why to fix the problem they had to take the mechanical teacher with them. Next, now when Tommy said that the book was about school, Margie couldn't quite understand it. She didn't think anyone would like to write about school. At this, Tommy told her that the book was not about their kind of school. It was about a different kind of school. It was the old kind of school they had many centuries ago. Tommy explained to Margie that those old schools had a teacher, but it was not a regular teacher. It was a man. It was not a regular teacher means not like that mechanical teacher. It was a man, he said. Next, now Margie had never heard of a man as a teacher because she was taught by a mechanical teacher, so she never heard of a man as a teacher. She had always learned from a mechanical teacher only, and she had it in her own schoolroom. She had never thought that a teacher could be a man, so she was much surprised. She said that a man couldn't be as smart as a mechanical teacher. Moreover, she didn't like having a strange man in her house to teach her. She thought that a man would come to her house to teach her. Tommy laughed on hearing this. He said that a teacher in those old days didn't live in the house of a child. They had a special building where they went to teach, and all the kids went there to learn. Tommy told Margie that all children of the same age were taught the same thing. A mechanical teacher, on the other hand, had to be adjusted to fit the mind of each different boy and girl. Means if a child is slow, that mechanical teacher would be slow. If child is somewhat intelligent, that mechanical teacher would be, means the level would be high. Like that. The two children had not yet finished even half of the book when Margie's mother called for her. She said it was time for Margie's school. She said that it was probably time for Tommy's school also. Now Tommy tucked the old dusty book under his arm and walked away whistling. और उसने उसको वो टांगा रखा उसको और सीटी बजाते हुए चला गया. Margie went into her schoolroom. The two children had not yet finished even half of the book when Margie's mother called for her. She said that it was time for Margie's school. She said that it was probably time for Tommy's school also. Now Tommy tucked the old dusty book under his arm and walked away whistling. अपनी जो arm है उसके नीचे उसको टांगा and walked away whistling. Margie went into her schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom. बिल्कुल bedroom के right next था उसका schoolroom. The mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day, like your online classes है ना. If password and ID are fixed, then it gives you indication before 15 minutes. Except Saturday and Sunday, Margie's mother had fixed regular hours for Margie to study. She said that little girls learned better if they studied at regular hours. Next, the screen was lit up. The mechanical teacher was going to give a lesson in arithmetic. It was about the addition of proper fractions. The mechanical teacher directed Margie to put her previous day's homework in the proper slot. Margie did this with a sigh. राहत की सांस के साथ. The mechanical teacher started with the lesson, but Margie was still thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little child. Next, Margie was thinking about the fun the children had in those old schools. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came there. They laughed and shouted in the schoolyard. They sat together in the schoolroom. They went home together at the end of the day. All kids of the same age learned the same thing. Thus, they could help each other in the homework. They could talk to each other about it. Thus, Margie kept thinking about the fun children could have in those schools of old days. Means मार्गी सोचती रही उन जो फन चिल्ड्रन जो फन करते थे उस टाइम पर उसको सोचती रही. That's why the name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. Thank you.